What's up, Pavlog? Today we're gonna take our dogs to the ocean, and it's the first time I'm gonna try get my dog to swim, fetching the stick into the ocean. And you will see that I begin with very short distance. I throw the stick very close to me, and then I gradually throw the stick further and further away. And my girl Ember just went wild. She was going so far into the ocean, I have to call her back in case she drowned. She was completely diving into the water in the ocean. And this is the first time in her life she's ever done this. It's pretty amazing. Grab your popcorn. Let's sit down and enjoy this.
No.
Ember! Benji, come on. Good boy. Ember! Ready to hit the water? Don't drink that water! Hey! Salt! Silly boy! Oh, what's up? Ah, you stepped on me. You broke it half. You need a longer piece. Bonk. Ember, bring it here. Good girl. Come on, give it to me. What? Who is that guy? Who is that guy? You just showed up! You just showed up! Who are you? He just showed up! Wants to play the stick! Oh, he's the fast one too! Ember, you got a match! Good girl, Ember! Good girl, Ember! Come on, Ember! Empty! Not talking. You want to go again? Woohoo! Woohoo! Go! I can tell you, Ember never swam in her life. The first time I'm doing this, the first time. She's got a brave heart. Good girl, Ember! Maybe a little too deep. I was a bit concerned too. Come on back! Ember, come on back! Oh. Ember, what's this? How about this one? How about this one? Alright, go get it! Woohoo! You must be tired. No? Wow, this one's going deep too. She got it. She got it. Oh. Old English sheepdog?
Oh, a beardy border collie.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, cheap English.
Oh, is it? There's no cheap. She's just $200
Yeah.
mark. There's no cheap dog. They're all good dogs.
Yeah. Hey, you're a nice dog. What breed is this one?
That's an Italian Mastiff.
Yeah. Hey, come on, Toby.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, great.
See ya. Come on, come on. Hello. Dogs are wondering what you're doing. We came from this way, didn't we? This is what a responsible dog owner do. Can't you hear? Ember is having it now. Too late for you. Yeah, can't you? Now you drink. Just cars. You're drooling everywhere.